It's a high school marching band recording. All unfunded, volunteer.
Everyone say hi, drone. Yeah, we're going to get some aerial footage as we go throughout the year to help us clean. So that when we go to JMU, the first time we see ourselves from that vantage point isn't on the judges' tape.
95 seems to be good. You get the whole field. Let's see if we can focus in a little bit.
Just make sure everybody's contributing the same way all the time. Got it? Go ahead and put your instruments in the opening set of part 2, and then go get a gotcha go, and then come back. Put your horns in the starting set of part 2, then go get water. Go ahead and make this like a minute-long water break.
.41 feet height. The winds are probably 10, 15. So I'm trying all sorts of different heights. 24 degrees down, 63 feet. 73 feet, 24 degrees down. Kind of gets me in a good place, so I'm not flying over people. So we'll zoom in. That's max zoom in. And we'll adjust down. Zoom out.
Let's do it again. 5. You have to count your rest in between the melodies.
So we got some stray flags out there near the 20-yard line that kind of affects.
That's awesome.
All right. Is that what you're looking for?
Yes.
All right. Band director likes this view. We can zoom in at this angle, do slow zoom, get into the focus point, which is the abyss.
Part 3, which we worked on extensively before, yes?
And then we can fade out.
Yes, so we've done a lot of this. So
pretty amazing. Bring it down a little bit and see if we can get some different angles. Okay, there we're at 44 feet. See, the band's all over the place, so I guess we have to back it up a little bit. So 44 feet. What are we doing on angle here? Minus 18. 7 to 10 gusting to 12 maybe, and it's rock solid. So now we're at 33 feet, and what's the angle here? 8 degrees. We'll see in the video. I'll mark it up here. Zoom in a little bit. Get a different view. Maybe bring the angle down a little bit. Minus 10 degrees. Let's see how close we can zoom in to somebody. That's max zoom right there. Zoom out. Ah, look at that. They're jumping in and out of the abyss. How high we can take it. Okay, 165 feet. That's pretty high. They look like ants. So you can get really on the circle there. That's interesting. I don't think you'd want to be much higher than that. And then let's go down to 73 feet. just so the higher you go, the more. Seems like 73 feet is about ideal. But there's no point to go above 165. 73, 75 seems to be the sweet spot that I can get the whole band in at this angle. I can even zoom in a little bit. I mean, it's stable. You could just sit there and eat a piece of pizza. All right, so we're going to bring it down and get a really close-in shot. There we go. Maybe zoom in a little forward, just make sure. See how rock stable it is, no matter what the wind's doing?
Yeah, and
Okay.
that's live, right?
Yeah.
That is awesome.
It's recording, and what I'm going to do is, you see I got a mic here?
Yeah.
But I'm going to put an external mic out there next to the benches or near the panels. That's the same thing as that, so I'll get the sound there and then track it in with the video. The video doesn't have any sound.
Okay.
Okay, so this is 26 feet, and then you can change the angle, see? So let me bring it up, and I'll show you different things. So that's max out,
Okay.
and I'm trying to center on the 20-yard lines on either side. So that kind of gives you the GMU view,
Yeah.
right? And then if you wanted to, you can zoom right in.
Oh, that's cool. Yep.
And it can go for like 25, 30 minutes. Okay, so now let me show you crazy high.
What a warm-up looks like for us, like a rehearsal warm-up.
And you can get there like really fast.
Then we will arc up facing Goshen Post.
This says 200 feet.
We can arc up inside of the field. so you
300.
can on the
300.
goalpost.
Well,
Batteries get you warm up back by where the hurdles are sitting on the
That's
track.
cool, though. Look at that cool circle in the middle.
I know.
Yeah, that way your parents
Looks
can see
good.
that.
Good. But look at it.
As well. So if
A
you're
couple weeks ago, we were in upstate New York, and I was flying over
the only one around the show,
Whitewater Rapids, and it looked like the thing was just right there, this far away from the water.
okay, put your hands down.
Yeah. You can see all my video on my channel.
As if you close them.
All right, so there you
And,
go.
okay, we're gonna run
But see, they look like ants.
Yeah. Cool, though.
Okay, and as you're in
You can zoom in a little bit.
I'm okay with that. I would have been fine with either. The majority of you wanted to run it twice, so we're going to run it twice.
So that's max zoom in.
Add about 10 minutes to the night. And
Right, and then, yeah, it will automatically land itself. If you get knocked out, it will automatically land itself, but I'm going to bring it down. See? It's flying itself home.
And it knows right where that is.
Yeah. So just for fun, we'll see how close it gets. See, it's got a little tube. It tells you where. So you don't... And it has collision avoidance.
Yeah.
So I had it take off in the wind. That's why it's turning.
Yeah.
Hey, we're going straight through. If something happens, we'll figure it out. Straight through.